Hello guys, how are you? Today in this video I will show you how I am using Midjourney in my workflow. Midjourney helps me a lot in the initial concept design, and in this video I promise you will like it and you will learn the process in very easy and simultaneous steps. So I am so excited to show you guys, and let us start. As you see here, I have this small kitchen. It's still in very basic and the beginning of the design. I will upload a render of this from SketchUp as a very simple sketch lines, and I will use it to help me generate a initial concept or a mood images for this kitchen. Once we access the Midjourney, okay, and we get to create, I choose a fill or drop it here. I'll enter the sketch image. I'll enter the sketch image into Midjourney and I will drop it here. Okay, so this is my sketch image. Okay, here we have three options. It's like the sketch image, always we put it use as an image prompt. Okay, it's a landscape image. Here I will access for the landscape. You can make it 16. I will make it 3.2. So then choose and drop a file. I will choose this image, open. I need the general look of my kitchen to feel and look, and the style, the general style to feel and look like this mood image. Okay, so this is our initial concept. Let me see what we can get from this. So when I drop it here, I will apply the bottom, use a character ref. Okay, this one, it should be a character ref. Character ref means that the generated images that AI generate will be same as the style of this image. The style like classic, modern, contemporary, anyway, and style. Even same or similar colors. I will apply this image to this one. I will assign for it a style ref. Style ref means the render or the feeling of the render. It's like the lighting, the render realism, or sketchy, or like real photo, sketchy photo, like hand drawing. So it helped with the system, the Midjourney, to generate something similar to it. Luxurious classic contemporary, kitchen, okay, kitchen, and let us see what we'll do. Let us see what result we will have. Okay, so let us see the generated image as we see here. Okay, the style is somehow near, but it's not every generated image. It's not as like it's not very close to my image reference except this one. So I will write more detail in the prompt. Luxurious classic content. Give it a try. Okay, see, it's now much more closer to what we have. It's much more closer to the design we have. See, this one is very close. Okay, I think this is very close to what we are trying to achieve, or this one. So I will choose it, I will lock it here, and I will, here in the vary, I will go for a strong variation options, about them, to see what we can get from it. So as we apply the variation, the Midjourney take the same picture and try to give us like more options. So as we can see here, this is the variation. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one is really close. This one is really close. I like it. I love it. And this is very close too. It's very close to what we have. Here is so you can see the Midjourney give us like infinite number of options, and from there you guys you can kick off your design in the kitchen. I'll take this one here and I will upscale it. Okay, this is the final result of the classic kitchen. You see the feeling, the render. It's actually it's very good quality. It's close to our design, but it's not the same. So you can use it as a mood board or as a reference image for like the details or even the general feeling of the scene to apply in your design and your kitchen design. No, we didn't finish still. I will give it another try and same prompts but different images to generate another option for the same kitchen but as a modern design and style. Okay, I will keep the same image prompt but I will change my character reference image and my style reference image. Maybe I will keep the same style, but I will change my character reference image. So for a modern image, I have these mood boards. I get them. I think I'll change them all. Okay. So let us drop this here. So we have this. It's very clean, modern, minimalistic design. And I'll drop this. And this one is clean, but it's like more toward a classical. So I will use the other one as a character reference. And I like here the shadows, the lighting, and everything. So I will use this one as a reference image. For the prompt, I will use the same prompt, but I will change here from classic contemporary to modern, luxurious, modern kitchen. Everything is okay. I will give it a try to see what we will get. So guys, you see, it's a huge, vast change from classic to modern. I like the design and how it evolves, but I still need this window above the thing. I need this feeling. So I'm changing a bit the reference. I'll add this up here. And I'll add it, and I will use as a character image. And I will use same prompt, and let us see the results we will obtain. So when we are not getting the results that we need from AI, we should like change the prompts or the reference image that we have for him. So this one is very close for what we have. I will make some strong variation. It's very nice. It's very nice. It's very nice. Okay, I think I'm very satisfied with this option. I'm very satisfied with this option. I will upscale, creative upscale. This is our end result. And I think the style did change a lot, and it gives this feeling of modernism. I like it. It's white with this warm wood. So yeah, it's very, very, very close to what I'm thinking about. So this like, and we organize. I will show you the. Actually, this was the modern kitchen, and same kitchen. It's like the classic contemporary one. I will go for this classic contemporary one as it's giving the aesthetic feeling and the vintage feeling. But this one is very modern, minimalistic, clean kitchen too as well. They both showing the feeling and the design line and the path of the design for the kitchen, for the space that I have. I will be very happy to show them to the client and see what he will choose. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe and share the video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.